I'm here today to give you an update on Trias, T-R-I-A-S, because I'm really not that good at reading. As you can see here, guys, since open, really quite bullish back in February. Obviously, I know we got the whole bull run here. You can see actually the level of support and the higher low that we've got from this low point coming through. Really quite nice as a bounce point at $2.77. Now, currently trading at $20.93. Quite insane gains from that low back in July there. We've actually been trending up for quite a while, 682%. So in terms of a reflection on, say, even September, right, it's been a bit of a macro downtrend here, but really nothing compared to a lot of the other altcoins and how they really got affected there. So yeah, it's really quite interesting to see and how this is really actually prevailing right now. It's actually looking insanely bullish right now. Insanely bullish. And we're above all major moving averages here on the daily. We're above even the volume-weighted ATR band. And we know this level of support that this actually forms. You can see the support is forming. Even yesterday when we saw this dirty wick to the downside across all of the crypto charts, all of the coins coming through there, you can see we've actually bounced off this perfectly. So yeah, in terms of a level of support, this is looking absolutely lovely at $90.57. Hopefully we can get another bounce up there. We can come up and challenge this all-time high, famous level at this $30.73 there. Very interesting to actually see. Now, right here, right now, if we want to actually bang in a nice horizontal from this level, this is going to be very interesting because that is an ascending triangle, guys. So in terms of, this is going to be quite ambitious, I know, and I don't really know that much about this coin in terms of fundamentals, but in terms of a price prediction for the future, this is going to be the most recent uptrend from the top side to the bottom side, and this is basically going to give us some sort of price direction to be looking out for there. I know it's not the most attractive thing in the world, but it's definitely going to give us some sort of direction to be looking for in the future. If we do see us break these all-time high sorts of levels there, definitely it may be a potential long trade to be looking out for. It's going to be around a 91% gain, guys, bringing the price all the way up to $58, $59 there. For that, we are going to need to triple the market cap. And to be honest, we are on KuCoin, so it is quite an early project. As you can see, we have only been around since February, and as far as I'm aware, not on Binance and any real major exchanges as of yet, but that means there's a lot more chance for it to really triple its market cap portfolio there. So yeah, really quite bullish here in terms of just charting in general. Let's move down to the shorter term time frame and see if we can get a bit of a better gauge onto what is actually happening here, because this is just going up, guys. It's really quite nice to see an altcoin that's just really banging it like so there. Really quite nice to see, and as you can see there, guys, really nice strong resistance from these zones. So yeah, in terms of the next target price point for this uptrend resistance zone, it really is going to be around this $30 there, and that's, as I was saying, all-time highs. That's basically going to be signifying a nice big breakout scenario to be looking out for there. Apart from that, this downtrend, this micro downtrend that we are seeing, I mean, we have seen a little bit of a breakout in the price, and when I say breakout in the price, we'll do some measure moves here, guys, because this is basically what we are seeing is a rising wedge pattern, guys. We see a rising wedge pattern, which basically we have an upward sloping support line here, and as you can see, the support is really quite strong along this zone, really quite strong. Apart from here, upward sloping support lines, guys, they basically usually break to the downside, right? They usually mean a bit of a retracement in the price. But as long as you're not really invalidating any real crucial higher low sort of points here, as you can see here, guys, this can be a very strong point to be invalidating. If you invalidate $16.93 there, and when I say invalidate, I mean go below it and lose that level of support, guys. If you do that, he said do, I would say that you would be coming down to this $13.58. But to be honest with you, the measure move that you are actually looking for out of this rising wedge chart pattern here for Trias here on the midterm, it's pretty much done, guys. It's really pretty much done. I would be looking for something a little bit lower, around $19.16 there. $19.16 there, definitely a point to be looking out for if we are going to have a continuation of this downtrend there. But even that is really not that bad. You can see the consolidation we've had along this zone. You can see how bullish we are here on the macro scale. So even a bit of a pullback here, it's actually really going to be quite healthy here for Trias there. But overall, really quite bullish, really quite good coin. Definitely going to be worth some research there, and so I'm definitely going to be doing some fundamental research on Trias there. And yeah, I suggest you guys do some research on it too, because if this is going to be something that is going to be continuously grinding up like this, breaking all-time highs, and having that 91% trade that we were just talking about there, then why wouldn't we be profiting from this? But yeah, that is going to be your daily update today on Trias.